Look me in my hunter eyes, I want you to be mine. Can't escape, I'm paralyzed, lost your shadows terrified. Look me in my hunter eyes, I want you to be mine. Paralyzed,
Today's here. No, CBS News Texas has also learned new details about Austin. CBS News.
They stand these people, man.
Markers and Gettleman. Spray painting graffiti.
Mexicans do not believe in real
I know my goddamn.
We got the news station out here, bro.
black people.
Hi, I made this video. He was gonna be turning, I would say.
That you have new. They found. The FDA had cases that even the FDA. They're gonna kill them.
Just that. Oh, you guys trying to wake up at 7:30? All right. I see. Damn. I see the dedication, boys. I see the dedication. Jump that. I'll take that. I don't know how to use it, but I'll take it. Dude, I've never got the scar. Where's it at, dude?